In this video, I'm going to teach you how to rename your Apple Watch on your iPhone. If this helps, don't forget to like the video and subscribe down below. Step number one is that you want to be using your Apple Watch so it is connected to your iPhone. Once you're wearing your Apple Watch and it's turned on, what you're going to do is go to settings and you're going to select Bluetooth. Right here, you're going to see a list of all your devices and go ahead and select the one that says Apple Watch. And then right here, it's showing you this little message that to manage the settings on your Apple Watch, you do need to open the Apple Watch app. So select that blue text right there, and this will automatically open up the Apple Watch app. Once you're here, you're going to select General, and then you're going to select About. Right here at the top, you're going to see the name of your Apple Watch, and now you can edit it to whatever it is that you want to change it to. Once you have a name that you like, select Done, and that's it. Now my Apple Watch has a new name.